Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are. Howdy. My name is Robert Ho, and in this video tutorial, I will show a demo. I will have a demo on the pineapple, right? Pineapple. So, what is pineapple? Well, Wi-Fi pineapple is a wireless auditing platform from Hack5 that allow network security administrator to conduct penetration testing. Okay, so that is a wireless auditing platform from Hack5. This is one of widely industry used and popular tools that many pen testers use. Okay, so what can we do with that? Well, the Wi-Fi pineapple is used to eavesdrop on people using public Wi-Fi. So the pineapple is configured to act as the Wi-Fi network that people believe they are connecting to, but instead they are connecting to a fake network that allows cyber criminals to easily access and capture all shared data uh, while they are on the internet. Okay. uh, I have some documentation here. I'm gonna post that in the Blackboard so you can see some of this. Okay, so for example, when user want to go to the internet, this is the original connection. When we set up an evil twin portal, they think that the user connect to the real one, but it's actually not. So we create a new connection here, right? We can say that this is a man-in-the-middle attack, right? So instead of connecting to the original connection, the user actually use a fake SSID. Okay? So what is the first thing we need to do? Well, the first thing we need to do is we enter the IP address, right? First, we have to boot up. We need to boot up the Pineapple Wi-Fi with this IP address 172.1642.1 colon 1471. This is the port numbers, right? So when you enter this IP address, we need to log in using root as a password and hack5 pineapple as a password. We can change this if you like because this is the default password, right? All right. So this is called the pineapple Wi-Fi, right? This is what I'm using right now, right? This one. Wi-Fi pineapple exactly. Okay, so right now it costs $120. So right now it costs about $120, right? And this is how it looks like. Okay, oh, they just have an ebook here, so maybe I need to download that too, right? Maybe I do that later after I finish my recording. Okay, so this is the industry standard Wi-Fi pen test platform that developed by Hack5, right? Okay, so whenever you have time, you can explore more and browse to this website. This is a very popular website, Hack5. Okay, I just want to make disclaimer that anything that I discuss with you and show you a demo here is for educational purpose only. So anything that you will use, make sure you perform this in the isolated lab or in the sandbox. Do not do a live testing. Do not do a live test in the real networks. Okay, so because anything that you use must comply with the local law regulation, state and federal law. Okay, so make sure that you are aware of this disclaimer. This is just for educational purpose and should be tested in the isolated environment. Okay, anything that you use again without follow the rule, federal, state, and the local law may subject to penalty and deal with the law enforcement. All right. So what's the next? So the first step, you enter this IP address, right? 172.168.1/1471, right? As you notice that I have set this up, right? And then the next thing is once you enter the IP address and login using root and the password, the next thing we need to do is to download the module, right? We're going to perform Evil Portal, right? So we need to download this module. So now you need to go to module here, module and packages, right? You go to module and then get available module. Since I already downloaded, once you download it, it will show you on the install tab here. It says Evil Portal, right? As of February the 2nd, 2025, we are using 1.5.3, okay? All right, so that's the second step, right? So the second one, we need to go to the module packages on the left-hand side and go to module tab, download the Evil Portal module, okay? The next thing, once you finish downloading, you will see the Evil Portal module installed, right? The next thing we need to do is we need to go to Pineapple Suite, Wi-Fi access point. Be sure to hide and disable Pineapple Network and disable Evil Twin access point, right? So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go here, Pineapple Suite, right? It's on the left-hand panel. You go here, you go to Access Point tab, here, where Access Point tab, we have a management access point, right? I put this IP address, building M, for example, right? I just give you example. Make sure you remember the password, right? And then the open access point, we're gonna name this do not connect, right? So this is where a user gonna connect to this SSID instead a legitimate one, right? So we need to hide this and then actually we need to do this one, right? On the wireless access point, be sure to hide and disable Pineapple Network. So where is this Pineapple Network here? We need to hide this and disable this, and also on the Evil Twin access point, which I put the password here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, right? So make sure you write it down, otherwise you may forget. We need to disable this, right? We need to disable this. Hide, disable, and disable. All right. Now we need to save this one. Okay. Oh, so now I need to put this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, and then we need to save. Okay. All right. So that's number 5, step 5. The next thing we need to do is in the filtering tab, we need to deny all and save, right? So we need to go to here. We need to go to filtering, right? We need to click all deny list instead of allow, right? Deny all list, right? Limit the scope of engagement by choosing what device may connect. Allow only specific device, only device that is not specifically on deny list. So we're gonna click deny list, and here we go also deny list, right? Specify the spoof network for which the Wi-Fi Pineapple will allow association, right? Allow association for only specifically listed SSID, okay? All right, so now we already cleared this one, deny list and deny list in all of this. the next thing is click the Evil Twill module here. So we're going to go to Evil Portal here, right? In the Evil Twill Portal, since we already download and install this module, you can see that I activate the Google login, right? You can also activate the Starbucks login, by the way, if you like. So now I'm going to start this, right? I'm going to start this, right? I'm going to start this, and then I'm going to use my phone, right? Let me see if I can show it to you. Here I have a phone, and I'm gonna connect. I'm using my smartphone. Now I'm going to connect, right? I'm going to connect to the list here, right? So let me see. I'm going to do not connect. Okay. I'm going to click do not connect. Okay. As you can see that when I click do not connect, I'm going to log in here. Let me see. So as soon as I log in, we're going to, let me see. Right? I'm going to log in. Okay. Let me see if I can turn on my webcam here. Let me see where's my webcam. Okay. Here. So now I'm going to log in using my email, okay, address, okay, password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? Next. Okay. So now if I click here, preview, right? I just log in on my phone to that one, and then I'm going to go to view log, right? View log. Here, as you can see, right? I just do some testing here. This is my user email address and the password, right? Notice that we capture that username. So if this is a real network, then we are able to get the user's username of their Google and email. So the proof of concept is successful, right? Notice that I already do some testing too before, right? In 2004, last year. And I put the password, I got you. This is just for demo purpose only. All right. So hopefully that this video is informative to you, and it showed the proof of concept creating an evil portal, right? One more thing that I want to mention to you here, the setup here, right? Where is this? So you see this current connection one. So here, where is that? Let me see. Is that this one? It show you my client here, right? Let me see. Where is this? Where is that? Is this one? Notification, new client authorized through Evil Portal. Notice that I get a notification here. where is this? The setting, I think, right? Is it the setting? Oh, here we go. Once I go to the setting, notice that on the networking, Recon 1, so basically with this Pineapple Wi-Fi, we need to set up two SSID. First of all, I need to connect to my network to get the internet connection, right? And then I have the Recon wireless Wi-Fi on wireless LAN 1, right? So we have two wireless LAN. The one that is used for Recon, and this is for the connection. This is for the WAN connection. Okay. Well, thank you for watching, and hopefully that this video is informative to you, right? I have this documentation and I will post it in the Blackboard. Thank you for watching.